Good morning, students. How are y'all on this Monday morning? Hope y'all had a great weekend. And we're going to get started on our reading lessons. We're still working on point of view. You're going to need your sheet that has iPads on it with the bottom part with point of view 3. It's the third one. Okay, so remembering that point of view is what is the author or character's opinion. What is the author or character's opinion? And as we read the story about iPads, we want to determine what is the author's point of view in the passage iPad, like how does he feel about it or she feel about it, or what's their opinion about iPads. And then we have to give 2 reasons for the author's point of view. Okay, so just some supporting evidence of the author's point of view. So let's go ahead and let's read iPads. I'll read it the first time, then we'll co-read it together, okay? iPads. Many people think iPads are just good for playing games like Angry Birds. However, iPads are actually an important tool in the classroom. iPads can be used to practice almost any skill, including math facts, grammar, and reading fluency. There are thousands of apps that are made for each grade level. When students work on these apps, they are learning important skills while staying engaged and interested. iPads can also be used to complete research in the classroom. Students can go online and find facts and information for reports and writing assignments. iPads can also be used as a reward in a classroom. Teachers can allow the students to use the iPads when they complete all assignments and have great behavior. So how do you think that the author feels about iPads? Does the author feel like they have no place to be in a classroom? No, they don't. Right, the opposite, right? The author feels like they're a very important tool in the classroom. So you can go ahead and answer question 1. So what is the author's point of view about iPads? And remember, you can always pause this video if I move too quickly. All right, so we found the point of view in that first go around. Now let's go back and find some things that support that 2 reasons the author gives for their point of view. 2 reasons why the author feels that iPads are important in the classroom, okay? So let's read that together while you're looking for that. Here we go. iPads in 3, 2, 1. Many people think iPads are just good for playing games like Angry Birds. However, iPads are actually an important tool in the classroom. iPads can be used to practice almost any skill, including math facts, grammar, and reading fluency. We're doing that with our Chromebooks now, aren't we? And if you already have something, you may be doing that on your iPads, right? There are thousands of apps that are made for each grade level. When students work on these apps, they are learning important skills while staying engaged and interested. iPads can also be used to complete research in the classroom. Students can go online and find facts and information for reports and writing assignments. iPads can also be used as a reward in the classroom. Teachers can allow students to use the iPads when they complete all assignments and have great behavior. All right, so what were some reasons that the author gave that iPads were important in the classroom? Can you think of one? Yeah, that very last statement talked about how they can be used for a reward for great behavior. Very good. What else do you have? They can be used to practice almost any skill, right? There's like apps out there for everything, right? For all grade levels is what it said. All right, does anybody else have anything else? We only had to come up with 2, but does anybody have something different? Yep, they can be used to do research in class, right? All right. Yeah, they can be used to practice any skill. All right, these are all good and they're all there. Well, here's 3 that the answer key gave me, but y'all gave me some other good ones as well, so you only have to cite 2, okay? All right, and just pause that video if you need to finish getting those. So again, today we were talking about point of view, and we had what was the author or character's opinion, and We said that in this particular passage that the author supports the use of iPads in the classroom because they found them very useful to be used in the classroom, and then we gave some reasons for that. So tomorrow we're going to finish up point of view. It's going to be your independent practice. You're going to have to do that by yourself, but still with this one, go ahead once it's complete and have your parents email me or send it to me through Dojo so that I can give it to your teacher so they can give you points, okay? You guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for Reading with Miss Meza. Bye.